Hey y'all, it's Kasia, and today I'm going to be installing this wig from UNice. Of course, you know they sent me some goodies, and I'm going to link everything about the wig in the description bar below. But this is a 7x5 glueless lace wig. This is a bye-bye knots wig, so they have pre-plucked it and pre-bleached it, and it also has ear tabs, so there's like a C shape on the ear so that it doesn't hurt you guys' ears, and it's perfect for people who wear glasses or who normally have problems with their ear hurting with wigs. This is going to be the solution for you. So I'm just going to jump right in with putting on my cap. So of course I'm just spraying the cap down, drying it, and then putting my makeup on. Now me personally, I wanted to wear this wig for a long period of time, and I didn't want to have to worry about it coming off or anything in this Vegas heat. So I did glue my wig down, but you do not have to glue it down. However, the hairline of this wig would be perfect for some people, but for me, the way that I had to pull the wig down, it was gonna sit too far down on my forehead, and I wasn't feeling that. So I went ahead and matched the hairline of the wig with my hairline, and I pulled out the front, and then I went ahead and plugged to make it look natural. Most likely everybody won't have to do this. I just did this because I wanted my wig to look more natural on my forehead. Okay, y'all, so I'm using some protective shield before I go ahead and put on my glue. Also, I did want to note that this wig came completely styled. So as y'all can see, it already came with curls in it. I'm literally going to be keeping those exact curls and adding some little layers and redoing the two front curls. And that's how I did the styling of the hair. But anyway, I'm going to be using 3 coats of my boho lace glue. I just smoothed it down in the area where I want my wig to sit on my forehead. So I just put the glue right there and spread it all the way across, and make sure that I line my hairline of my wig directly up with where I put my glue. Okay, y'all, so initially I was gonna do the little baby hairs on the side. Then I ended up deciding that I wanted to do the middle baby hair as well, because I haven't did that look in a minute, and I thought that it would look super cute with this hair. So anyway, I am going to be molding my hair back and laying it down with my edge band. But then once I take the edge band off, I'm gonna go ahead and pull my middle edges down and then do a very fluffy baby hair. Now obviously y'all, this step is optional, and also me gluing a wig down was optional as well. If you don't like baby hair, you don't have to do it. And also, if you don't want to glue your wig down, you also don't have to glue your wig down. Okay, y'all, so to get those perfect fluffy baby hair, you have to use mousse to mold your baby hair down. So I'm using the Shine and Jam Supreme Foam Wrap Mousse in the orange and black bottle. You can get it most likely at your local beauty supply store, but if you can't, they do have it on Amazon. So I'm just doing like a rough kind of molding of my baby hair. I'm gonna mold them and then tie them down and then comb them out and clip them down some more. You pretty much just kind of play with them and pluck your hairline until you get the look that you're going for. Okay, y'all, so the key to a flawless install is to make sure that you're utilizing your hot comb. You're not going to get the look that you're looking for if you don't use a hot comb. Like, a hot comb is like top two, but it's not two on the list of things that you need for your wig to look bomb. If you don't have nothing else, but you got a hot comb and some tweezers, baby, your wig gonna be bomb. Okay, y'all, so right here I am defining my part a little bit more, and then I'm spraying my spray on it, making sure that the part is straight, and that's also going to make it flat as well, and it's going to make it look like a scalp. Okay, make sure y'all do not skip out on defining y'all part or plucking y'all part. You don't have to do both, but make sure you do one or the other. Also, if you want that like lifted up look in the front where your curls are, you need to use some spray and your hot comb and comb it back, give that bump look, and then I'm gonna be using my curling iron to curl my hair. But you can also do that if you have straight hair as well, but I usually like my straight hair to lay a little bit flatter, and I like to have the bump in the front when my hair is curled. Okay, so y'all, at this point I was really feeling myself because I'm like, yeah, this came out super bomb. I really wanted to keep the clips in because I thought that they was really cute, but I ended up taking them out because obviously the clips were just to hold the curl in place. But it came out super bomb. This color bomb, the curls. This wig held a curl like nobody's business, y'all. So definitely go and check this company out and check this wig out. I would definitely highly recommend. It came out beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.